Hello and welcome. The info pane displays relevant information about the net, layer, or component referenced by the active overlay selected. Within the pane are three tabs: Options, Details, and Related. Under the Related tab, a selected component will display all nets connected to that component, and a selected net will display all connected components to that net. Hovering the cursor over related nets will highlight the corresponding pads, and hovering the cursor over related components will highlight the corresponding component in the AR window. The Details tab will display important information about the selected component or net. Selecting part information, users will access more details on the component. Users may also attach images or files directly to nets and components. These can be anything from further documentation or anything else the user wishes to attach to the project. Datasheets, by default, are accessible on all components provided a BOM is uploaded with the project. Under the Options tab, users can fine-tune how they want the AR overlays to be displayed in the AR window. Users may show or hide the bounding box, silkscreen, solder mask, and paste mask and all pads of the component. Users may also show or hide the traces and pads of highlighted nets.